I don't know how good this is going to work with the reflection off the water. You can see the, try to zoom in a little bit in that spot right there. And if you can see the little ones or not, but a little later on we'll be moving over into here. It's much darker because it's in the shade over here. But the little ones will be coming here for feeding.
Where's my babies? Anybody hungry? Where's the fish? Well, where is everybody? Did you take the thermometer?
No, not yet. We're all hiding in the shade. But they'll, if they hear some stuff, they'll come running, I'll bet.
Where's my babies? Well,
We should have brought the screen along. You know what?
yep.
I'm going to go get the screen.